If you have an Android phone and you feel like you are getting too many notifications, or maybe you are missing important ones, this video is for you. Because today I'm going to show you how to set up notifications on Android in 2026 in a simple, fast and step-by-step way. So stay until the end because you are going to learn how to fully control what appears on your phone. Let's get started. First, let's understand the basics. Notifications are the messages you receive from apps like WhatsApp, Instagram, mail, games, many more, and Android lets you fully control them. Number 1, turn notifications on or off per app. How to do it? Go to Settings, open Notifications, then tap App Notifications. You will see all installed apps. Just turn notifications on or off, depending on your needs. For example, you can keep WhatsApp enabled and disable games or apps you don't use. Number 2, control notifications inside each app. Another more precise way is through the app itself. How to do it? Press and hold a notification when it appears. Then, tap Settings or go directly into the app settings. There you can adjust sound vibration priority and whether notifications appear on screen. This is very useful for customizing each app individually. Number 3, do not disturb mode. This feature is essential. If you want to focus, how to activate it? Go to Settings, open Sound or Notifications, find Do Not Disturb, and turn it on. You can customize it to allow important calls or specific contacts. It's perfect for sleeping, studying, or working without interruptions. Number 4, lock screen notifications. Android lets you choose what appears when your phone is locked. How to do it? Go to Settings, open Lock screen, tap Notifications, and choose if you want Show all content, height sensitive, content, or show no notifications at all. This is very important for privacy. Number 5, notification history. If you ever accidentally swipe away an important notification, Android has a solution. How to enable it? Go to Settings, Notifications, and turn on Notification History. This lets you see all recent notifications, even if you already deleted them. Now let's be honest, most users never properly configure their notifications, and that's why their phone feels chaotic or overwhelming. But Android actually gives you full control if you know where to look. So to summarize how to set up notifications on Android in 2026, turn notifications on or off per app, control notifications inside each app, use Do Not Disturb, mode manage, lock screen notifications, and enable notification history, because honestly, once you set this up properly, your phone becomes much cleaner, more organized, and much easier to use.